Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put an image in a text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Putting an image inside a text here in Canva is a simple process that creates a striking design effect. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can choose from any of this to start from: business, social media, education, video, marketing, or you can simply click the create a design to start from scratch. Now, I'm going to start this design with a simple logo right here at another page. Okay, so for example, you're working with a photo right here in the this one. For you to be able to put image in a text in a Canva, let's say I'm going to use this one instead. I'm gonna make it like around 50. Of course, you have the option to choose a different color, maybe this. All right, choose a different color right here, maybe like yellowish. All right, this one. If you want to put the image in a text in Canva, all right, all you're gonna do is go to the image right here. There you go. You have already put the image here in the you have already put the text inside the Canva. All right, so this is one way. Now, another option is hit the background. I'm going to add another page. I'm going to the elements on the left side panel. I'm going to use the help of frames. Okay, so here I'm gonna check the letter character frames here. Okay, I'm going to select all the this one. All right, now this is gonna be a lot easier. I'm going to put in another background here. Maybe this time I'm gonna be choosing the earth right here. Okay, so if you want to put an image here in the text, it's a very easy. All you're gonna do is go to the photos again, right? You can choose any of this, like this one, that one, maybe this. Just drag it inside the shapes in the text, all right? So for example, this. Now, once you're happy, you might want to click on the play button to check if the design blends perfectly well. All right, because putting an image inside the text is very easy, and of course it creates a striking design effect. All right, now again, all I have to do is be creative and work with the elements inside the Canva. Once you're happy with that, click on close. There's going to be an option here on the share button on the upper right to download as an MP4 if you want to share as a JPEG or PNG or even PDF print. If you want to share this to your client, you might want to click on the copy link or share with your team collaborator, or if you're working with multiple freelancers. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.